Dear students, today we will continue chapter first. Some basic concepts of chemistry. Today's topic is nature of matter. In this, we will study about matter, classification of matter, elements, compounds and mixture. As you know that entire universe is made of only two things, matter and energy. We are all surrounded by many objects such as houses, trees, water, animals, etc. The presence of these objects can be felt by one or more of our five senses such as sight, touch, hearing, taste and smelling. Thus, object possesses mass, occupy space, and may have different shapes, sizes, and color. All these objects constitute matter. Thus, matter may be defined as anything which occupies space, possesses mass, and can be felt by one or more of our senses. जैसा कि आप जान गए हैं, हमारे आसपास हम जितने भी थिंग्स से सराउंडेड हैं वे सभी ऑब्जेक्ट हैं और वे ऑब्जेक्ट मैटर से बने होते हैं। मैटर जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है, जिसमें मास होती है, मास मीन्स वजन, और जिसे हम अपने सेंस ऑर्गन से फील कर सकते हैं, तो वो है मैटर। Now, classification of matter. Matter can be classified in two ways. First, physical classification. Based on physical state, there are three kinds of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Second, chemical classification. All kinds of matter can be classified into two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous matter, matter that has the uniform composition and identical properties throughout the phase is called homogeneous matter. All pure substances, elements, or compounds are the examples of homogeneous matter. Example: copper, hydrogen, salt, water, etc. Heterogeneous matter, matter that is made of two or more components which are physically distinct, is called heterogeneous matter. It consists of various phases and one phase has composition different from the other. Example: mixture of sand and sulfur, mixture of two different salts, mixture of immiscible liquids, water plus oil, etc. एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड्स होमोजेनियस मैटर होते हैं क्योंकि इनका कंपोजिशन यूनिफॉर्म होता है। मिक्सचर हेट्रोजीनियस मैटर होते हैं क्योंकि इनका कंपोजिशन यूनिफॉर्म नहीं होते हैं। मैटर कैन बी केमिकली क्लासिफाइड एज सब्सटेंसेस। अ मटेरियल कंटेनिंग ओनली वन सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड अ प्योर सब्सटेंस। Characteristics of pure substance. First, a pure substance have definite composition. Example: copper, silver, gold, water, glucose are pure substances. Second, pure substances can not be separated into its constituents by simple physical method. Example: NaCl. Third, overall properties depends not only in composition but also on nature of combination. Example: oxygen and ozone. Now, classification of pure substance. They are classified into elements and compounds. First, elements. An element is a pure substance which contains only one kind of atoms. An element can neither be broken into simpler substances nor built from simpler substances by any method. एलिमेंट्स प्योर सब्सटेंस होते हैं जो एक ही तरह के एटम्स से बने होते हैं और उन्हें हम और भी सिंपल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। एग्जाम्पल कॉपर, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन एटसेट्रा। There are about 118 elements known. Elements can be further divided into three types. First, metals. Metals have the properties conduct electricity and heat, ductile, malleable, lustrous, etc. Example copper, silver, iron, etc. Non-metals, they exist in all three states and they have the properties poor conductor of heat and electricity, brittle, non-lustrous, etc. Example sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, hydrogen. Metalloids have the properties between both metals and non-metals. Example arsenic, tin, bismuth, antimony, etc. Now, compounds. A compound may be defined as a pure substance which can be decomposed into simpler substances by some suitable chemical method. A compound is formed by the combination of two or more elements in a definite proportion by mass. Example H2O, CO2, NaCl, etc. Types of compounds. First, inorganic compounds. These are the compounds which are obtained from non-living sources such as rocks and minerals. Example common salt, marble, gypsum, washing soda, etc. Second, organic compounds. These are the compounds which are originally obtained from living sources. All these contain carbon, carbohydrates, oils, fats, waxes, proteins, etc. This is the flow chart of matter. You can easily understand all the classification of matter. Now, mixture. Mixture may be defined as the substances which are made up of two or more pure substances which are not chemically combined together. They can be possesses variable composition and can be separated into constituents components by some suitable physical means. मिक्सचर में बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स मिक्स रहते हैं और इनमें कोई डेफिनिट प्रपोर्शन नहीं रहता। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एयर इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट गैसेस लाइक नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर वेपर्स एंड noble gases. All these constituents of air are not chemically combined with one another. A few other examples of mixtures are crude oil, milk, cement, etc. Types of mixture. First, homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, constituent particles are uniformly distributed and we cannot separate easily. Example air, gasoline, seawater, brass, etc. Second, heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, constituent particles are not uniformly distributed. We can separate them easily. Example sand and iron fillings, sand and water, oil and water, etc. Now, differences between a mixture and a compound. Mixture. First, The constituent may be present in any ratio. Compound. The constituents are always present in a definite constant ratio. Second, a mixture shows properties of constituents. Properties of compounds are entirely different from those of its constituents. Third, mixture are formed by physical methods. Compounds are formed by chemical method. Fourth, the constituents of a mixture can be separated by physical methods. Constituents of a compounds cannot be separated by physical methods, they may be separated by chemical methods. Fifth, mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Compounds are always homogeneous. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask by comment. Like, share and subscribe our channel Bright Videos.